Hello, I'm going to show you something. Well, I should have shown you some while ago. This code allows you to see the invisible objects that work behind the scenes. Now you need to turn this code on after the fast select screen and then go to somewhere like inside the castle. So you better see all the invisible objects that do things like activate, one-up mushrooms and all other stuff. So here we have a signpost. This code allows you to see the invisible objects by giving the graphics of the signpost, because there's no it doesn't act like a signpost, it's just a graphical thing. Anyway, so you see you've got the signpost in the middle of the sun symbol. Now if you then look up at the ceiling, you'll see there's another signpost there. There's actually two. I don't know why two, but basically what happens, the game detects, oh, Mario's on the sun. Oh, Mario's looking up at the ceiling. And if the signpost comes into view, that's the invisible object, then Mario gets transported. Now off to Bob-omb Battlefield to show you some more activators. God, the setup I've got at the moment, I'm running out of room. I've got my Xbox 360 with my PlayStation 2 on top, fortunately slimline, and my N64 next to it, so I'm a bit low on room. But anyways, here we go. Let's try and find some more invisible objects, shall we? Watch what happens when I defeat this Goomba who's dancing. The signpost appears briefly. Don't know yet why that is, but I'm hoping this will help us understand better how the game works and make better codes. Now, watch what happens when the Bob-omb explodes. Okay, signpost appears. Now, can you see there's another signpost? Now, you've got to watch carefully if I can do this. Can you see? I don't know how well you can see the signpost, but it should turn into a Bob-omb. Did you see that? So that second signpost is where the Bob-omb without the coin will get spawned when the camera's moved enough away from it. We have a signpost in the flower bed that perhaps is the activator. Now this is an interesting one. You notice this flower bed, there are now many signposts around it. Now you think, right, you've got to run around the flower bed to get the one-up mushroom. No, this is what the game actually does. Touched it, touched it, touched, spawn the one-up mushroom. See? Now strangely, the one-up mushrooms that run away have two signposts attached to them, so that's two invisible objects. Remember, these signposts are showing the invisible objects. And there's also one there. Now if we go back to, yep, another one there. Back to where we was earlier. Okay. Now, yes. Yes. This originally came from the idea somebody suggested, well, why don't you put a signpost where those water bombs come? And if you check out my DeviantArt channel, you'll see I've done a picture of this. Anyways, see there's a signpost. That's where they're going to appear roughly. Yep. Cooper's wandering around going, I don't remember those signposts being there. Now, just one last thing, perhaps I have to do another video. I don't know, I just walked. Another video showing all these things. It's very interesting indeed. Remember, you can climb underneath this bridge thingy. Well, there's a signpost there, so perhaps that's what allows Mario to climb underneath. Did that Goomba just did? He went, that's fun, I want to do that. Yeah, you stomped me. Yeah, my life's complete. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, just to show you, this code allows you to see the invisible objects by giving them the signpost graphics, and it helps us better understand how the invisible objects work behind the scenes, so you can see what's going on as you play the game, and so you can better appreciate, don't know why that signpost is there, what's happening behind the scenes, and hopefully help us to make better codes. And I noticed something, when Mario's climbing down an upper tree, and you'll best try this out yourself, a signpost appears. I reckon that's for placing the leaves. Now one last thing, see the signpost at the top? That triggers the one-up mushroom. Yeah, that's nice. So try out different levels and that. I've only shown you a brief couple of things, and so you can spot these invisible objects and have fun.